How to fix Preview Pane not working for PDF files in Windows 11. So if you're trying to preview PDF documents in Windows File Explorer and all you see is a black panel or an error message saying no preview available, it can really slow you down. So the issue usually happens due to disabled preview handlers in Windows settings or outdated preview permissions in your PDF reader. So let's fix this step by step. So firstly, let's make sure that your Windows File Explorer is actually allowed to display preview handlers and thumbnail icons. So just open up your File Explorer and at the top ribbon menu, click on View here. After that, hover over Show and make sure that the preview pane is ticked. And then one more thing, click on the three dots here and go to Options. Alright, and in this window, click on the View tab and ensure that the box for Always Show Icons, Never Thumbnails, is unchecked. Okay, this first one. And scroll down to the Advanced Settings list and tick the box Show Preview Handlers in Preview Pane. Right here, there it is. This one, make sure that it's enabled. Apply and close outs. And a small pro tip, if previews work for local files but fail for documents downloaded from the internet, Windows security features might be blocking the file from previewing. So just find your PDF, right click on it, go to Properties, then you choose the General tab and in here choose Security if you have it here, or just choose here, and find the tick for Unblock or Unlock and click Apply. Alternatively, if your preview pane remains stubborn, you can just right click any PDF, select Open With, choose another app and pick Microsoft Edge or Adobe Reader. Right here, then you open with and choose something else. So try out these fixes, guys. If this helped, subscribe.